here in this question, we have to verify that transpose of A multiplied by A is equal to identity matrix. Sorry. Now, we are having A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Now transpose of A becomes now cos alpha sin alpha rows into columns and minus sin alpha with cos alpha. We have to prove transpose of A with A. Now transpose of A with A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha with cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha, rows with columns. Okay. Now cos alpha with cos alpha, we are getting cos square alpha minus and minus, we are having plus sin square alpha. Then cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Again now sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, and this part now sin alpha with sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. These are the same terms, cancel, 0 and 1. Okay, and the reason is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. And what is this? This is the identity matrix. Proved.